Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with the subject matter. Wolters Kluwer offers an extensive suite of tax and accounting solutions tailored for the US market. Their platform provides professionals with resources designed to streamline workflows, enhance accuracy, and navigate the complexities of the ever-evolving regulatory landscape. From research tools and practice management software to compliance solutions and learning materials, Wolters Kluwer aims to empower tax and accounting professionals with the tools they need to succeed. Their solutions cater to a variety of firm sizes and specializations, encompassing areas such as federal and state tax compliance, audit management, and estate planning. By leveraging technology and industry expertise, Wolters Kluwer strives to deliver integrated solutions that help professionals optimize their practices, mitigate risk, and achieve better outcomes for their clients. They offer a range of software options, including CCH Access, CCH Pro System FX, and CCH iFirm, each designed to address specific needs and workflows. These platforms integrate various functions, such as document management, workflow automation, and client collaboration, into a centralized system. Furthermore, Wolters Kluwer provides ongoing support and training to ensure users can maximize the benefits of their solutions. With a commitment to innovation and client success, Wolters Kluwer continues to develop and refine its offerings to meet the changing demands of the tax and accounting profession. Their comprehensive approach aims to provide professionals with the knowledge, tools, and support necessary to navigate the intricacies of the industry and achieve optimal performance. They offer solutions designed to address specific challenges faced by tax and accounting professionals, such as managing increasing regulatory complexity, improving efficiency in a competitive market, and leveraging technology to enhance client service.